Hello and welcome back to my channel Arna Rocks, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you all how to make a poster on MS Word. So it's going to be super easy and it's going to be very interesting as well. So now let us start our today's video. So first you have to open the MS Word and click on the first option, blank document. When you click on it, so this screen would appear, and now what is the first thing that you are going to do? So the first thing that you are going to do is that you are going to go on insert, and I also want to tell you the topic. So my topic for the poster that I am making today is going to be a traffic light signal. It's going to be very easy, just some basic. We are going to add traffic lights, and also we are going to write that what every single light of the traffic lights say. So the first we have to insert a text box. So we are going to click the option draw text box, and here then you'll draw a wide text box. It's going to be a little bigger in length. Okay, yeah, here it's perfect now, and now you can adjust the size. And now when you draw the text box, a screen is automatically going to appear, which is format. Now I feel that it's just too wide, so I'm going to make it a little thin. I think it's perfect now. Yes, okay, now it's good, and it's well and good. And now it will automatically come to a hidden tab, format. So here you can change the color of the text box that you have drawn, and we need to make it a little dark in color, just like a traffic lights one looks like. So here you can see 3 examples. When you will go to more, you'll see different colors, and I'm going to choose I'm going to choose a black one, and this one is with a good effect. So this is like a whole black, and this is going to be also black. So these are with a little gradient effects, intense effect, and it's going to be another effect. So you can choose any one. I'm going to choose black. You can even choose any other color. The traffic signs can be of any color. It's going to look more realistic. And also if you go to shape fill and choose black here, and then again go to shape fill and go on gradient, it's going to give gradients and more gradients. Let's see, solid fill, gradient fill, it's going to good look. So you can do any gradient, like it doesn't has a nice gradient for black, so you can do any gradient. Actually it has every single option, but I'll be going with this because this looks very realistic and it looks very beautiful. So now the second step is that we are going to make the traffic lights, so they are circle only. So we are going to go to home, or on the format tab only you can see that we can insert shapes. So from here just select a ordinary like circle or oval, you can do anything, and just draw it over here. Just like draw in a appropriate size so that it can at least fit in your text box. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to copy it so that I can get the exact size, and Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, so here I have got these 3 circles, and I can arrange them in a order like this. You see, I just hope they are going a little in the order. Okay, now I think it's perfect. It's pretty good. Just I'm not good. Yes. Okay, now it's perfect. Now it's looking good, and they're exact in their size. I'm going to make this thin a little bit more. Yes, now it's pretty good. It's looking good, and I'm going to make the distance less because yes, now it's looking great. Now the first traffic light is always of red color. So when you select, again you will be back to the format tab. So in the format tab, go here on the more option, and choose red. But here red is not available. But no problem. What you can do is that go to shape fill and choose red from here. Okay, so now when you choose red from here, okay, just a second, it's taking little errors there are. Yes, okay, so I want no outline, and now this looks like really poster thing. I mean, this has no realistic look, so you can do gradient. Okay, so in gradient you can make it look like it's glowing, the light is on, so this gradient is going to look it like it's going to make this look more wonderful. And now shape effects. So when you will go to shape effects and when you will go to the fourth given option, glow, now select the red colored option, orange color option, red color option, or more glow color option, select red, and see, this looks wonderful. This really looks that the light is on because it's shining brightly. And you can do it like one more time. Go to this part and oh god, go to shape effects, go to glow, select this, more glow colors, red again. Okay, now it's looking more likely that it's on because you see this part, glowing part, and same you can do to the other two as well. So this is the amber light, the yellow light. Go to the format tab, check the shape fill. Okay, so here the shape fill is given, so just take one yellow light, then go to shape effects, then go to glow, and here yellow light is given, and see, this looks very realistic and this is very easy to do. And now this is our last light, the green light. So in the green light again we are going to go to this option, and you can take any type of green. You can take dark green, you can take light green, and if you are not getting the correct color that you want, so you can go to shape fill. You can choose colors from here as well, from the chart as well you can select, or from more fill colors you can even make your own colors like this. Just go to a little darker one, want a little dark colors, so it's getting bright, so now let's get to a little dark part. Okay, yeah, so just select any color and click on OK, and this is going to be selected of that color. Go to shape outline, select no outline, or you can do the outline of the same color given. Now here I'm going to go again on shape effects, glow, and here I have the green option as well. So this one, now these are the traffic lights which are perfect and they are ready. So now here I'm going to insert one more text box, so it's just going to take a second. So just give me a second so I can insert one more, and you also have to insert one more draw text box. And when you have inserted, once you have inserted, it will come like a white box. Go to this part and select the same color you selected. Okay, perfect. Now here on home, select white so it's visible. No, not white. The first is red. So we are going to write red light says, red light says stop. So I'm going to write stop in capital letters. I'm going to select it. I'm going to make it bigger, center alignment, bold, and yes, now it looks good. And you can even make the text glow, or you can, by the reflection or glow. Yes, you can make it glow even. You see this, it's again looking very good. So then next is yellow light. So I'm going to choose yellow out of here. The amber light says wait. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce the size because it's not fitting into one line, and I want it to fit in one line, and the yellow color is coming. So here the orange color is coming, and I want yellow glow. So I am going again to the here glow, and I am going to select yellow glow here. I am going to select yellow glow here, and now I am going to go to the green one. So green shade, I am going to select the green shade, and I am going to write green. Just a second. In the upper part, I want to write weight in whole capital letters. So I am going to write weight in capital letters, and then green light says go. Okay, so now this is ready, but again I have to change it into green. So I'll just go again on this part, glow, and done. So now you see our poster is ready and it's looking very beautiful, and you can also make it using your MS Word. So I'll just be reducing the space so that it can come in one look. Okay, yeah. Okay, so perfect. Our poster is ready, and you can also see that it's looking very good. The traffic lights poster is ready. So you can also make the same. So now it's time to end the video. And before that, you can also go to layout of the word, or you can go to here go to design, and here in the page background it will come page color, page borders. So in page colors you can select any color for the page if you want. That's not necessary, but like you can make a light color even in the background. That's also going to look pretty nice, quite nice. More colors, fill effects, more colors. I'm going to go in and just select a nice light color. Okay, so this looks beautiful. You can do any color out of here. I would like to do light colors. Okay, so once you have selected the color, go to page borders, art. You can use the normal lines that can be done, the normal lines style, but that will be too plain. So I'm going to insert any like cute one, like you can use star, or you can use clock, you can use butterflies. So anything you can use as the page borders of yours, anything. So for example, I'm going to choose stars. Stars is going to look nice, and see, it has become it, but as it's overlapping, I'm not going to use the page borders. You can use page borders, or what you can do is insert the page, this you can insert it a little downside, okay, downwards. So select the text box here and just adjust everything so that you can apply it. That's going to look very nice with borders. And yeah, done. So this is how to make a simple traffic light poster. So if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like. Bye.